video footage. Alright, so I have transitions of JPEGs going on here, and then all of a sudden I decide, well, I'm going to insert a video. I don't know why, but here it is. Now video, you can go two different ways with this, and that's why we have to teach it separately. One, we have opacity, but we also have volume. So here's how that works. I'm going to make a transition between still frame. That's a stupid picture. Let's go in here. This is what I get for grabbing a bunch of stuff off my hard drive. That one's pretty cool, and the fact that it teaches you about light, and that's what the premise of the video was. So here, I need to go from a video clip to a still shot. Well, first off, let's zoom in on the area, and we'll take the JPEG down in opacity. Again, by adding a keyframe here and a keyframe here, I can now fade it in. Just like that. Now, as far as the volume is concerned, I can also fade the volume in. Some cases I might need that. So here is the audio. Again, here I'll just add a keyframe. I'll highlight this clip first and then go down here and add a keyframe. And over here, I'll add another keyframe. So now I'm fading into the picture and then into the audio. This is a pleasant way of having the transition occur. I love that. Let's say I was talking about a still shot, or maybe I wanted it to be quiet in the area of the still shot. Well, I could do this. I place the still shot on top here. I can right click on it and say scale to frame size. Maybe I was talking about lighting in the video, which I wasn't, but just in case. Here, I can add keyframe, keyframe, another keyframe, and another keyframe. Okay, so that's how you would place a still shot within a piece. You can go like this, and all of a sudden I'm talking about something, and I get into this area, and it fades into the picture, talks about the picture, and then fades back out into the film. Okay, very cool. You could do that via volume also, just in case. Now, and that would cover worst case scenario. So for this, I can add a keyframe, and sometimes I'll just place it over the top of the keyframes at the very top occurrence. And then what I can do here is drag the middle part down. And now I have, it goes from the opacity in, drops in volume, looks at the picture, and then right back into it. Okay, some tricky situations with dealing with opacity and audio. You'll notice that everything I've done up here shows up here also. This is just a harsher view to it, but if you look here, I can look at the numbers. So from 0 to 100% opacity, and same with volume. If I drop volume down, I can see that it's infinitesimally quiet. That's what the infinite loop is. And I can see there it drops and then it goes back up. Just in case you want to see the numbers fly around. But other than that, that is how you deal with transitions of still shot to video and audio to still shot. Enjoy. Let's move on to the next video.